Hello viewers, welcome to British and American English and IELTS Teaching, Training, Test and Research Academy BAETTA International, Bangladesh. This is Int'l, Professor of English and Chairman, BAETTA International, Bangladesh, Motihar, Rajshahi Campus. As a part of our English Language Diploma Certificate ELDC course and English Language Graduation Certificate ELDC course on International Proficiency in English as a Foreign Language EFL and English as a Second Language ESL, this video is on course code 1A201, course title Conjugations of Verbs, Part 4. In this video, you will learn about conjugations of essential strong verbs begin with K, L, M and or with their international received pronunciation IRP and international phonetic accent IPA. So, this video is undoubtedly going to be very important, helpful and beneficial to you. Let's get started. Lesson 4.1 Conjugations with IRP and IPA accent of major strong verbs begin with K and L. In this lesson, B1 indicates present form, B2 past form and B3 past participle form of the concerned verb. B1 verb base form keep, English meaning remain, maintain, Bangla meaning rakha. Past form kept, past participle kept. Base form know, English meaning recognize, Bangla meaning jana. Past form knew, past participle know. Base form lay, English meaning set, place, Bangla meaning dimpara. Past form laid, past participle laid. Leave, depart, disappear, ত্যাগ করা, left, left. Lie, lounge, recline, শয়ন করা, lay, laying. Lie, give false statement, মিথ্যা কথা বলা, lied, lied. Lose, misled, drop, misplace, হারানো, lost, lost. Lesson 4.3 Conjugations of major strong verbs begin with M. Make, craft, build, তৈরি করা, made, made. Mean, imply, denote, অর্থ প্রকাশ করা, mint, mint. Meet, convene, gather, সাক্ষাৎ করা, met, met. Mistake, error, fault, gaffe, ভুল করা, mistook, mistaken. Lesson 4.4 Conjugations of major strong verbs begin with er. Remit, disperse, pay, submit, মৌকুফ করা, remitted, remitted. Ride, traverse, trip, travel, চড়া, road, ridden. Ring, play, blow, sound, buzzer, rang, rung. Rise, increase, ascend, ওঠা, rose, risen. Run, sprint, dash, rush, দৌড়ানো, ran, run. Viewers, in my next video on conjugations of verbs, I will speak about conjugations of essential strong verbs begin with S in detail. To speak English fluently like a native with international standard and get IELTS 8+ score, you are most welcome to join ELDC course and ELGC course at BAETTA International, Bangladesh. Learn English by English. Keep watching our English medium videos. We maintain international standard in teaching English and IELTS. Thanks for watching Admission going on.